Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R650xs. In this video, we're going to talk about RAID. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R650xs. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. This video is going to be specifically dedicated to RAID. So we're going to do this video. We're going to start off by identifying the different types of RAID. Then we're going to put up a chart that's going to be a compatibility chart for the different types of RAID that you can use. After that, we're going to show you how to physically install the two different types that you can use. And then at the end, we're going to show you how to configure RAID, and we're going to show you step-by-step instructions. Let's just hop into the good stuff. All right, so what type of RAID can we use? And I'm talking about the physical form factor. So generally speaking, Dell has three types of RAIDs, right? You have your PCIe, pretty obvious, it's a PCIe card. You got your mini mono, and you've got your front loading RAID. Okay, I try to put them where they would normally go, right? So your front loading RAID. Two of these work. Which one doesn't? Mini mono! Goodbye, mini mono. That one's not going to work. So you're going to get your PCIe card, or you are going to get a front loading RAID. And not every chassis supports front loading RAID. So you got to make sure you have everything set up right before you buy. So those are going to be your two types of RAID controllers from a form factor: front loading and PCIe. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to throw up a handy dandy RAID chart. It's going to show you some of the different RAID controllers that you can use, some of the software RAID that's already installed, the hardware RAID that you would need to install, and then we're going to show you how to actually physically install both the front loading and the PCIe. Let's just hop into the good stuff.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your RAID card via front loading RAID and your PCIe RAID card. So as you can see, we have the required materials laid out before us. We have our PCIe RAID, a Phillips head screwdriver, and our front loading RAID controller. So let's go ahead and set our materials to the side, pop our latch, and lift our top, and then we'll go ahead and start off by showing you guys how to install the front loading RAID card. First, you'll go ahead and pull this metal piece back and lift straight up to get access to where you'll be installing the front RAID. Go ahead and plug in your cable to the controller first, and then match up the leads on the controller to the slots on the back plane. And you're just going to go ahead and push the controller in till it's fully installed. Now we can grab our Phillips head screwdriver and screw the controller into place to secure it down. And then there you go, you have installed a front RAID controller for your Dell PowerEdge R650xs. So now we'll go ahead and show you how to install the PCIe RAID card. Be right back. Alright, so we're back in our server and we will need to get access to the PCIe slot in the riser 1. So go ahead and lift that riser up from its spot using the holes on top, and then as you can see, this is the slot where we will install the card. It will need to match up with the leads on the RAID card. So let's unlock this bracket in the back and remove the filler to make some room. Then go ahead and grab your PCIe card and match the leads up to the slot and push it in all the way. And then go ahead and lock the bracket down. All you need to do now is just slot the riser back into place. And there you go, you have successfully installed your RAID cards into your Dell PowerEdge R650xs server. So now we will go ahead and show you guys how to configure RAID 5.
Now we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to configure RAID 5 with your 15th gen server. Now RAID 5 is one of the most common configurations out there. It will require a minimum of 3 hard drives, and do make sure that your controller does support RAID 5. During post, you're going to want to press F2, and this will take us to System Setup. Once you get into System Setup, you're going to go to Device Settings. Within Device Settings, you're going to find the hardware that's installed in your server. Here you will select your desired RAID controller. Select Main Menu. In the main menu, you're going to select Configuration Management and go down to Create Virtual Disk. So what we want to do now is select the RAID level that we want. In this case, we're going to select RAID 5. We're going to leave unconfigured capacity selected. So now we're going to click on Select Physical Disks. On this menu, check both for the Select Media Type option. Then we're going to select all the drives that we want to configure in our RAID. Select Apply Changes, then click OK. On the Create Virtual Disk menu, click on Create Virtual Disk. Click on the Confirm box and click on Yes, and then OK. To To confirm the RAID was created, head back to the main menu, then select Virtual Disk Management. And you'll find here that we've configured RAID 5 to our virtual disks. Congratulations, you've successfully configured RAID 5. Well, hey, if you found this video helpful, do us a favor, click that like, smash that subscribe, and if you're looking for any custom-built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, we would love the opportunity to earn your data center or earn your home labs business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.